Greetings from California. Today I'm going to make for you a Santa Maria style tri-tip in a cast iron pan and wood fired roasted artichokes. I'm going to be making it in my wood fired pizza oven. I'm going to show you guys how to do it. Okay, so I've gone ahead and I have liberally seasoned them with Santa Maria tri-tip seasoning. If you don't have Santa Maria tri-tip seasoning, you can certainly just use salt, pepper, garlic. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cover them with aluminum foil. You can see I've got the fire nice and hot. I'm just going to wait for the oven to heat up, let those logs break down a little bit more, and then I'm going to go ahead and put the tri-tip in the cast iron pots into the fire. Okay, so I moved the fire over to the left side there, and I went ahead and put the tri-tips in the cast iron. So I'm gonna put them in there for approximately, I don't know, half an hour or so. We'll come back and see where it's at. Okay, so what I did is cut the artichokes in half, and I am parboiling them for approximately 20-25 minutes with a little bit of lemon. So the artichokes, what I did is I halved them, scooped out the insides, and I parboiled them for about 20 minutes or so. Put them in a deep dish casserole that can handle the heat of the pizza oven, and put a little bit of salt and pepper and olive oil. All right, so it's been about a half an hour or so with the foil on, and the internal temperature is about 120 degrees. So what I did is I took the foil off, and I'm just getting a nice sear on the tri-tips. Okay, so I got a nice sear on the tri-tips, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover them, leave them in the cast iron, cover them with aluminum foil. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead, and the tri-tips are resting. They're covered in foil. And now I'm going to take the artichokes, and I'm going to put the artichokes in here and get a nice char, fire roasted char on the artichokes. Okay, so there it is. That's Santa Maria style tri-tip and fire roasted artichokes.